This is another important type question, many times asked in entrance examinations. Please see. Cot A by 2 is to cot B by 2 is to cot C by 2 is equal to 3 is to 5 is to 7. I am writing. Cot A by 2, we have a formula. Delta. Cot A by 2, S into S minus A by delta. Cot B by 2, S into S minus B by delta. Cot C by 2, S into S minus C by delta. S by delta is a common factor in all the ratios, so remove. S by delta is removed from all the factors. This can be rewritten S minus A by 3, S minus B by 5, S minus C by 7. Simple ratios. S minus A is to S minus B is to S minus C is 3 is to 5 is to 7 can be so rewritten is equal to, say, lambda. We shall suppose. Say is suppose S minus 3 by A by 3, S minus B by 5, S minus C by 7 is equal to lambda. That means S minus C A is equal to 3 lambda. S minus B is equal to 5 lambda, S minus C is equal to 7 lambda. Adding. S minus A plus S minus B plus S minus C, 3 lambda plus 5 lambda plus 7 lambda. Three lambda plus 5 lambda plus 7 lambda. S plus S plus S, 3S minus A plus B plus C is equal to 15 lambda. This is 15 lambda. Proceed. 3S minus 2S is equal to 15 lambda, or may I say S is equal to 15 lambda. S is equal to 15 lambda. Now S minus A is equal to 3 lambda. Gives 15 lambda minus A is equal to 3 lambda. Therefore A is equal to 12 lambda. Check up this step once again. S minus A is equal to 3 lambda. Value of S, just you found out 15 lambda, substitute here 15 lambda minus A is equal to 3 lambda, this gives A is equal to 12 lambda. Secondly, S minus A is equal to 5 lambda, here gives 15 lambda minus B is equal to 5 lambda, giving you B is equal to 10 lambda. Lastly, S minus C is 7 lambda. (15 lambda minus C is equal to 5 lambda, 7 lambda. Therefore, C is equal to 8 lambda. Quickly have a review from here. S minus A is 3 lambda. I am substituting 15 lambda for S. 15 lambda minus A is equal to 3 lambda. This is 15 lambda minus 3 lambda is equal to A, or A is equal to 12 lambda. Similarly, B is equal to 10 lambda, C is equal to 8 lambda. We have to prove A is to B is to C. Look here. A is 12 lambda, B is 10 lambda, C is 8 lambda. Six, 5, 4. As I have said, this question has appeared in many entrance examinations, and you know, in entrance examinations you cannot do so much of work, you will not have so much of time. There is a small method for that, that is called time saving technique, not shortcut. Don't call it shortcut. It is time saving technique. I am showing it here. Please see. This is best suited for examinations where you have got more questions and less time. See here. This is given cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2, 3, 5, 7. I am writing the answer now straight. Seven plus 5 or 5 plus 7 by 2. 7 plus 3 by 2. 3 plus 5 by 2. This is 6, this is 5, this is 4. This in fact is a lengthy question. You can do like this only in entrance examinations where you have got less time, more number of questions. Otherwise, this method is not suited for your regular solutions. I am doing another question. Please see. First one. In triangle ABC, sigma A is equal to sigma cos A is equal to 3 by 2. Show that triangle is equilateral. So simple one, you have done similar questions. I am not doing it again. Now see another question. There are some questions based on sigma cos A is equal to 1 plus R by R. Sigma cos A is equal to 1 plus R by R. We have to prove one identity, we will prove, and there are so many questions based on this identity. Please see this solution. Sigma cos A. Expanding cos A plus cos B plus cos C. Cos A plus cos B by transformations 2 cos A plus B by 2 cos A minus B by 2. Formula in transformations, sum of two cosines, cos A plus cos B, 2 cos A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2. For this cos C, I am writing 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2, the formula of multiple submultiple angles. First formula, transformation, sum of two cosines, 2 cos A plus B by 2, cos A minus B by 2. Last cos C, 1 minus 2 sin square C by 2, one of the formulae from multiple submultiple angles. I am rewriting. This one I have shifted here. You know cos A plus B by 2 is sin C by 2. There is absolutely no need to quote any formula. Cos A plus B by 2 is sin C by 2. It is always there in a triangle. Still I am writing. Since in a triangle A plus B plus C is equal to 180, that means cos A plus B by 2 is sin C by 2. You have already done and used so many times this formula. I am proceeding. 2 sin C by 2 is common, leaving here cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2. cos A minus B by 2 minus sin C by 2. Sin C by 2. Sin C by 2 is cos A plus B by 2. I am returning that value here. There is a formula in compound angles. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is 2 sin A sin B. See the formula here. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B 2 sin A sin B. Here it is by 2, so I will write by 2 here. A plus B by 2, A minus B by 2, so A by 2, B by 2. 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. 1 plus 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. There is a formula you must be knowing. R is equal to 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. We have done very recently this formula. Small r is equal to 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. I find 4 sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2. Capital R is lacking here, supplying now. This R is compensating this R, and this R is taken to suit that formula. Right hand side is proved. 1 plus R by R for sigma cos A.